In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best professional soldering stations available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the professional soldering stations list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the professional soldering stations mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, RF4 New 1000W Fast Desoldering Hot Air Gun Soldering Station. This 1000W RF4 desoldering station is designed for efficient PCB chip repair. Featuring a digital display and intelligent control, it ensures precise temperature regulation for BGA rework. Ideal for professional technicians, this hot air gun soldering station can quickly desolder components without damaging the PCB. The fast heating system, combined with user-friendly adjustments, makes it perfect for various soldering tasks, ensuring clean and effective results. Number 4, AIXUN T3A 200W Digital Soldering Station. The AIXUN T3A is a powerful 200W digital soldering station, tailored for mobile phone PCB repair. It comes with T245, T12, and 936 handle tips, offering versatility for different soldering tasks. The digital display ensures precise temperature control, allowing for accurate soldering on delicate electronic components. Its ergonomic design makes it ideal for prolonged use, ensuring comfort and efficiency. Number 3, 2024 New Bakon Soldering and Rework Station 2-in-1. This 2024 Bakon Soldering and Rework Station offers a 2-in-1 solution, combining a soldering iron and a hot air gun in one device. It's an all-in-one professional tool, ideal for cell phone repair. The powerful hot air gun allows for quick heating and rework, while the soldering iron ensures precise control for delicate soldering jobs. Compact and versatile, it's perfect for various repair applications. Number 2, AIFEN A9 Plus Soldering Station. The AIFEN A9 Plus is a premium soldering station, compatible with 210, 245, and 115 soldering iron tips. It features precise temperature control and is perfect for advanced welding and rework tasks. The station's ergonomic handle and intelligent control system make it ideal for professionals needing reliable performance for circuit board repairs. The temperature adjustments allow for flexibility across different projects. Number 1, JCD 750W 8586D Soldering Station 2-in-1. The JCD 8586D is a versatile 750W soldering station, combining a hot air gun and a soldering iron in one compact unit. Featuring an LCD dual digital display, it allows precise temperature monitoring and adjustment. This station is perfect for SMD welding and rework, making it a reliable tool for both hobbyists and professionals. With fast heating capabilities, it's ideal for various soldering applications, ensuring efficiency and accuracy.